Right, greetings class. Welcome to Mr. Marashani online lessons. Today we are going to revise this exercise. I think it's going to be very helpful. So the first question that we're having says define a machine. What is a machine? A machine can be defined as a device that makes work easier to do. It's just a device that makes work easier to do. Question number 2. How does a machine make work easier? How does a machine make work easier? Since a machine is a device that makes work easier, this question is asking how. How does a machine makes work easier? Okay, a machine can only make work easier to do by reducing the effort which was supposed to be applied without a machine. So a machine, when it comes into play, suppose you want to do something and you decide to use a machine. When you are going to use a machine, what a machine is going to do is to reduce the effort which was supposed to be applied. That's how it makes work easier to do, which makes this question here easier to answer. Next one, state the type of simple machines. State the type of simple machines. This question is just asking you about what you call the types of machines, which include inclined plane, which include lever, which include pulleys, which also include wheel and axle, which also include the screw, which also, that's all. So these are examples of a machine. Same applies on this part again. They are also asking the same thing. Okay, so that's it. Moving on to the next question. All right, which says describe the uses of machines. My machines, Anoboshanda, say what are the uses of machines? Number 1, they work so that they can transfer force from one place to another. So number 1, it's transferring force from one place to another. Number 2 is changing the direction of a force. And number 3 use is that it increases the speed of a force. It increases the speed of a force. And the last one is that multiplying force. It multiply force. Okay. Question number 6. Define the following terms. First question, which is A, it says mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage, we all know that it is calculated by saying load over effort. This is the formula for calculating mechanical advantage. So it can be defined, of course, as a measure of how much an effort, how much a force is increased by using a machine. Is a measure of how much a force is increased by using a machine. Moving on to number 2, it differ because it differ when it comes to calculating the velocity ratio. But velocity ratio of a pulley, you just have to count the number of pulleys. Okay, but also velocity ratio of my inclined plane, you get it by saying distance moved by effort over distance moved by load. So what is it? Chichinombo's velocity ratio, right? Velocity ratio is just the ratio of distance moved by effort to the distance moved by load in the machine. So it is the ratio of the distance moved by effort to the distance moved by load in the machine. And the last one is efficiency of a machine. When you are talking about efficiency of a machine, we are referring to the measure of how well a machine works. We are referring to the measure of how well a machine works. Okay, I hope you are assisted, guys. Meet you in the next video.